What is pinyin? Pinyin is the phonetic alphabet of the Chinese language. It uses the Latin alphabetical system to spell out how different Chinese characters should sound like when spoken. Chinese characters are made up of a combination of different strokes. Without pinyin, learners will never be able to pronounce Chinese characters by just looking at the various strokes. A standard pinyin syllable contains three parts: an initial, a final, and a tone mark. Initials are typically consonants, while finals are mainly vowels or a combination of different vowel sounds. Tone marks are accent marks found above finals. There are a total of 23 initials, 36 finals, and 4 different tones in the pinyin system. How then is pinyin formed? Let's take a look at an example. This is the character for mom or mother, and it is read as ma. This pinyin is made up of the initial consonant m, the simple final a, and the tone mark for the first tone. Mandarin Chinese is a tonal language. It consists of 4 main tones: the first, second, third, and fourth tone. The first tone, like its appearance, starts relatively high and stays even and constant throughout, like saying ah for the dentist. The second tone starts at about mid-range and rises upwards, much like the tone used when expressing surprise or when asking a question, such as really or huh. The third tone starts at the mid-range, dips long, and then quickly rises back to the mid-range where it first started. It is just saying aha when expressing a moment of epiphany. And finally, the fourth tone starts at the mid-range and drops sharply downwards. This tone is similar to the tone used when expressing anger or frustration. For example, no or go away. There is actually a fifth tone in the Mandarin Chinese. This tone is known as the neutral tone. The neutral tone does not have a tone mark because it is also known as a toneless tone. Words in the neutral tone should be pronounced quickly and lightly without any stresses. Tones are important in spoken Mandarin because a change in tone can change the meaning of a word completely. Taking the same example as before, ma. When read in the first tone, this pinyin can mean mom or mother. However, when read in the second tone, ma, the character and meaning changes to the word for noun. When read in the third tone, ma, this means horse. And finally, when read in the fourth tone, ma, this means to scold or reprimand. This is why it is crucial to use the correct tones to accurately convey your intentions. Using the wrong tones could result in confusion and miscommunication. The different tones may sound confusing at first, but with enough practice, you should be able to differentiate between each tone with greater ease.